So for the last 10 years, the thing that I've hated most about running a business has been downloading all of these old invoices, renaming them, adding timestamps to them, and categorizing them. I dread it. It doesn't take very long per email, but as you can imagine, when you've got hundreds or thousands of them, it really adds up. So when I finally found a tool, it changed my life overnight. And this is a very simple automation that you can use right now. So here we have make.com. Make is great for doing simple things with APIs, and APIs are how you interface with the apps that we all use around the world all the time. You can connect them to each other, kind of like Zapier. It's a competitor. So this is a simple flow that I created that you can borrow, but essentially what it does is this. It watches a Gmail account. So I say, okay, connect to my Gmail, figure out a folder that I've specified in the Gmail settings, can be anything you want. And you say, watch for all of the emails, collect no more than 100 of these emails, and save them as they come in. You add a filter though, because I don't want just every email going into our tool. I only want the ones that have a PDF attachment. So you can set that as a filter that the attachment is of a type, application, or PDF. And it's going to exclude everything that doesn't match that filter. From there, there's an iterator which will create an array. This is where it gets a little complicated, but when you use it, you'll start to understand. For now, you can just see it, how it works. And it will create an array based on all of those different attachments, which means basically a group of all the attachments that you can go through. And then for each of those in that array, you can set a custom variable. So we can extract the date of the actual email, the date that it came through, and we can extract the actual subject of that email so we get the timestamps exactly right. And that's in the variable stage. And then we can save this file to a custom Google Drive location that I call Invoices. And we can change the file name. This is what's important. We can set it to be the date first and then the actual subject. And I like to use the date timestamp because that way I can sort by name later and know exactly when something came in. It's all standardized. So this was not particularly challenging, but doing hundreds or thousands took a long time. And now the result is I've got a folder that has all of my invoices neatly organized. I can just download all of these as a zip. I can put them in my folder, and that's it. It's pretty amazing. So if you're looking for a way to speed up your workflow without too much effort, make.com is great for some basic tasks, and I highly recommend it for something like this. Do you have a workflow that is simple in make.com that has changed your life? Is there any administrative thing that you hate doing that you'd love to see automated? Drop a line in the comments. Let me know what you think and help some other people out. Help me out with your smart solutions. Thanks for watching. Here's how we can all become more intelligently lazy.